Okay, so why would you add related products in Shopify? So there are actually several compelling reasons to learn how you can do this. So please watch this until the very end, because when you add this, it's actually will increase actually temptation. So items next to a product, customer is viewing, you um, you'll make them like add more to their car, because imagine someone looking at a phone case. You could recommend a screen protector or a portable charger, increasing their total purchase value. So there's value into that. So let me show you what you have to do. We're gonna have to go here to apps first, and then we're gonna click on, sorry, I'm gonna click on all apps and sales channels, and then here we're gonna click on show app store. Then here in the search bar we're gonna have to write, so here write f a her, and what you're gonna have to do is select this app. That's the app we're gonna need to create this, what we want. And now let's wait, it's just loading here. So now we can click on install right now. So let's click on install, and then what we're gonna have to do here is we can see here explore now, and then here welcome, customize. Okay, so let's click on customization, and here we can click on create now. So I have this product, I can publish this one, but I can edit this bundle, and no product font. That's just because I don't have two products, but I can add another one right now for testing. So I can add a product very fast right now. So I can show you here. Let's click back on this. Then here, edit, create a new one. Then here I have this one. I can edit this bundle and add a product. We can install now this extension. We're gonna have to install this extension, install Chrome. Actually, currently is not available in Safari. Okay, which is kind of annoying, but after you install this extension, what you're gonna have to do here is you're gonna see here the product, and then you can add a product. You can edit this bundle, as you can see from here. You're gonna do it from here. You can also, then after you added this bundle, you also make sure you publish this bundle with other products here added. Could edit recommended products in bundle. You can search for a product and add those products, and then you can go to your store. You can view a store, actually edit our store. So we can click on here, and then we can go to, we can click on customize actually, and let's click customize. And here, when you publish, you can see here what you published, right? You're gonna see the actually that block that we just created using that app. Yeah, just make sure you add the extension, and then you're gonna be able to see here the feather, the app, along with other options. Here you can edit it from here, the app, the feather. Just make sure you add the extension, and you add a product in you related products, right? So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.